gonna be needing is some pencils, a plastic bag, some water, and food coloring.
What color are you gonna be using?
Blue.
Is this your favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go over by the sink and fill this bag up with water. Then after, we're gonna put the food coloring by the sink. Okay? Let's go. You can ask your grown-up to help yourself. You can ask your grown-up to help you. Now we're gonna put the blue coloring in there. 1, 2, 3.
You're gonna close it up pretty tightly. Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
The only thing that I'm worried about is the water right going everywhere.
I know, okay. So I got this bowl for you. So we're gonna put the bag in here. All right.
Wait, guys, come take a look. It looks like a pool.
Oh, wow, it does. Let's go for a swim. All right. On your mark, get set, go. Woo! 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 Okay, be careful so we don't break it, all right?
So, guys, we are gonna push the pencils to the bag. So, let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pencils, guys. Are you ready? Let's go!
Okay, so I'm gonna hold the bag. Wait. Wait.
Like hold it high.
So, okay, are you ready? Let's put the glue from side. So you're gonna start from over there, and I'll hold it from here. Ready? Oh my God! It went through. Go ahead. Oh wow! Is it leaking?
No, that's a little bit.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh! I'm pretty nervous.
Me too.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay.
No, it's too
So
hard.
how many did you push through already?
1, 2, 3.
3 of them. Okay. So how many are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we have 7 left, right? We've already gone through 3 of them. All right. Here you go.
Hello.
There you go. All the way through. All the way through. Oh, there you go. Okay, you got 4 now. All right. Let's pull this one a little
So
bit
that
out.
means there's 6.
6 left?
Yeah.
All right. All right. There you go.
I'll do one at the very bottom.
Woo!
And right through my hand.
Look at that. Wow.
That's amazing.
We're gonna put the last pencil through together. 1. Wait. 2, 3, go.
Now let me take out I can't wait to take out the pencils. Guess which one I'm gonna take out first? Yes. It's Leakproof.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh no.
Too much water.
Whoa, look at that.
That's one more.
Whoa, look at that.
a pencil, guys. The water just getting higher and higher each time. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!